If you are of retirement age, you may be asking us to consider you for sheltered accommodation. Sheltered housing is different from other council properties as it has the support of a warden service and in some schemes communal facilities for residents to use. Depending on your needs, you will receive a certain number of welfare calls every week from your warden. During these calls, you'll be able to chat and discuss any issues you might have or simply enjoy seeing a friendly face. If you have applied for sheltered housing, you should have received a special pack telling you where our sheltered housing schemes are in the borough and the facilities that each one has to offer. Please take the time to read it. We hope you'll find it useful. This and further information can also be found by visiting the retirement accommodation section of the housing pages on our council website.